Welcome back. Thank you guys for following our journey. We have been getting a lot of questions about the time frame, how long it took to do things, because a lot of you guys are about to take the same journey. We would like to summarize what we did in the first 4 months, real time, so you can get a feel for the different projects we took on when we started our foreclosed house to dream home flip. I removed all the trim work off the doors and windows, labeled them, carefully removed the nails, and then primed them 2 times, and then later decided not to use them. We decided we would just finish out the rest of the demo and completely gut our master bathroom. And now after we researched what we should do for our shiplap ceilings, we decided to go with plywood, which ended up being one of my favorite projects of the entire house. We were so happy with how it turned out. We went ahead and covered 2 walls in our dining room that were covered with wallpaper. And the ceilings that were giving us problems earlier on, we decided to cover those as well. And then I started staring at the living room ceilings, But that window was staring back at me, so I convinced the hubby to climb up on a ladder and try to remove it. We weren't planning to change much in our front bathroom. We just wanted to carefully remove the wallpaper and then the tile, and that did not go as planned. So we took a break on the bathroom and went back to working on the kitchen. I saw this idea online where you can build boxes for above your kitchen cabinets so they look extended. So I bought a few more sheets of plywood and I started building boxes. I'm doing all kinds of boxes that are going on our cabinets. Babe's puttying all the holes in this entire room. We'll be finishing some trim. Glass doors for the shower, which has been quite the project right now. Have to rework this electric, figure out the shower, but the base is in. Laundry room is just about done and needs some paint. Spare room, our beautiful master. And our pretend layout. Build-ins. This is going to be our shower. Our beautiful bathtub in front of the window. Double vanity.